Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you arc length and area of a region sa isang circle. So ito is typically ma-aaral nyo if you're grade 10 I think. So what's the difference between these things? So sa arc length, ito yung length nung nasa itaas sa isang circle. As you can see, nakalagay naman siya dun. And then it is defined as an equation as S equals to theta times R kapag nasa radian siya. And naman, kapag nasa degree siya, theta over 360 quantity to phi R kapag siya ay nasa in degrees. And meron rin tayong area of a region which is kapag hinahanap naman yung area dun sa loob. So, area is 1 half theta R kapag radian siya. And kapag degrees naman siya, it's theta over 360 quantity phi R squared. So, naka-label na dyan yung mga my drawing is not perfect though. So, let's just make some problems. So, let's say we have a circle here. And meron siyang ganitong dalawang, what do you call this? Chord, I think. I just forgot them. So, meron tayong S dito, which is the sector. But we're going to try to calculate it. And sabihin natin yung kanyang theta, which is yung degrees, which is I explained in my first trigonometry video on what is angles. So, yun yung angles, yung angle between two lines. So, dyan. So, 5 rad siya. So, as you can see, hindi siya sa degrees naka-measure. Sa radians. And dito naman is, yung radius daw niya is 12 centimeter. I mean, 12 feet. Oh, how thought I'm gonna write centimeter. For radian. So, ganyan yung unit niya if naka-radian rin yung degrees. So, para ma-visualize natin, let's plug in sa formula na sinabi ko kanina. So, ang theta is 5 rads per, tapos, okay, we're not gonna multiply though, so we're just gonna cancel the radians. So, what we have now is just multiply 5 times 12, so it's 60 feet. So, yan yung length ng sector. So now I'm going to give more example problems so you can visualize and kindly solve these problems as we move through. So let's say we have a circle again. So dyan yung point. Okay, I missed the point. So yung dot na yun is yung center. Dapat mag-start siya lagi sa center. If not, we cannot use the either formula. So yan, so meron tayong circle A. And so circle yan guys, just imagine it. I cannot draw a perfect circle though. So ang radius niya is 8 centimeter. And ang kanyang radius is, no, not radius, but the degrees, the theta, the angle is 150 degrees. And what we're going to try to find is the sector. So, ano ba length ng sector niya? So, as you can see, nasa degrees na siya. So, what we're going to use is the degrees formula of the sector and that the radians one. So, 150 yung kanyang degrees and then divided by 360. Times natin sa phi and then sa radius, which is 8. So, what we can do now is just cancel the zeros. So, this is a technique that I use. So, kapag ginamit nyo in real life, I think mapapagalitan ang teacher, but it was proven by me. I think I have created something new about math, no? So, habang nagsusolve ako, I just discovered na same lang sila if whether if I cancel the zeros or not. They're just the same. So, you can try it. So, here, we're just simplifying the fraction. I also have videos about simplifying fractions. I'm going to link it in the description. So what we got here is just 8 times 5, which is 40. And then what we're going to do is just simplify this furthermore. And pi is a constant though. It cannot be simplified because it is our irrational number. So, keep natin yan. So, itong 8, pwede nating ilagay na 4 times 2. So, 4 times 2 is 8 times 5 is 40. So, as you can see, same values pa rin siya. I'm just simplifying them. So, what we got now is 10 over 3, 5 centimeter. So, centimeter lang siya, not squared. So, if we're going to use calculator, we can approximate our answer. But, itong answer na to is good na siya. If di kayo pwede gumamit ng calculator, that is the very finest answer. So, sa approximation, it's 10.42472 centimeters. So, that's it for this problem. So, mag-third problem na tayo, guys. Delete na natin ta. So, number 3. So, you can try this one. Okay. So, this is a little circle. Let's make this bigger. There you go. So, sabihin natin ito yung kanya center. Ano kaya? Center D as my initial. Kaya mag-draw ng line here. So, mag-drawing tayo ng line dito and line dito. Then, sabihin natin yung kanyang theta is 2 rads. So, as you can see, nasa ano siya? What do you call this? Radians. Yes, radians siya. So, what is the area? So, ano yung area niya? Yung sa loob ng nasa 2 rads. So, the area is just 1/2 theta r squared. And what we're gonna do is just plug in all the values that we can see. So, what is theta? It's 2. What is the radius? It's 8. So, we're just basically plugging things. As you can see, we can just cancel the 2. So, 8 times 8 is 64 centimeter squared. And there you have it. We can just box the answer and there you go. So, let's move on sa fourth problem natin. So, let me draw a circle. Here is better, I think. So, let's say meron tayong center dito. And pag ganito siya. And then, kanyang radius is 10 centimeter. And there you go. So, yan. Box siya. Hindi siya, no? So, ang area niya. So, anong area ng shaded region dito? So, area is just theta over 360 pi r squared. So, what that box indicates? That box indicates na nasa 90 degrees siya. So, di nyo na kailangan ilagay na 90 degrees dong sa box because the box mismo yung nagre-represent ng 90 degrees. So, box means 90 degrees, yung box dun sa loob. So, we can just cancel the 0, my technique. So, if you're gonna solve a problem and then the teacher asks you, why did you cancel the 0? Just say it's David's technique. Just kidding. You can prove it mathematically though. So, i-prove nyo lang. But, there's no law or property that we can do that. I'm just doing it here in this video so para mas mapibilis natin yung process ng pagsasolve. We can just cancel the 3 here. And we can just replace the 6 na 3 times 2. So therefore, pwede natin cancel that yung 3. And then, what we left is, no, not 3. It's 1/4. Kasi 2 times 2 sa denominator. So 1/4. And then, we have pi. And then, we have 10 squared is 100. So, we're just going to distribute the 100 dun sa fraction. And also, we're going to distribute the pi. So, 100, 4, and then pi. So, what we can do here is just simplify this. So, it's 25, I think. 25 times 4 is 100. I think I'm sure of it. And then 25 pi. So, ang kanyang unit is centimeter squared. So, you can use calculator to approximate this problem. Or you can just write the whole decimal form of it. But that's not. Okay, now let's move on to our last problem for this video. So I hope you guys is nagigats na yung pinaggagawa natin ngayon. Because this is pretty much easy topic. We're just going to plug in the formula, study some little concept, plug in the formula, um, what do we call this, simplify fractions, and just do some basic algebra. So it's pretty much the fundamental things. Just plug in and evaluate. And introducing another constant, a new constant, which is pi. So 60 degrees yung kanyang and then feet yun. Radius is 5 feet. So alam kong kaya nyo na gawin to. Mas mabilis na kaya yata kayo sa akin. So 360 yan ha. So 5 tapos r squared. So alam na natin yung degrees niya. Yung theta is 60. And over 360. And then yung kanyang radius is 5. Squared lang natin siya. Then what we can do is my David's technique. We can just cancel the 0. And then 3 times 2, 6. And then 6 times 3 times 2. They will just equal 36. So we can cancel the 3 and 2. And then 5 squared is 25. So what we got now here is just 25 over 6 and 5. And then we cannot forget the unit though. So it's squared feet. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. And goodbye.